Here's the Karma section. Finally found some more electric cars. Oh, that door's opening over there. They're hand built, he said.
But that's the design that we're going to from here, and well, I'm sure we'll have the roads for a few years. So we're very excited about that. Wow. Yep. Headquarters in Irvine, and the factory is in River Valley, Riverside.
California.
It's all Southern California. Yep.
I'd buy this car
Only one.
if I had
It's a
the money.
prototype, so
I'd buy
it'd be a
one.
few million.
Made here.
Yeah.
But when are they gonna really?
So we have these two cars. These are already available to buy.
Okay.
They're hybrids. These will be all electric. The power plant, the powertrain that's in the SE2 on the far side there is on display.
That hybrid actually charge on its own one, or you have to charge it?
You've got the electric motors is what propels the car, and the engine is just a generator for range extension.
So you don't need to charge
Yeah,
on
so
that
you
one.
can drive. Yeah, it has a charger. So on an all electric, it's 80 miles.
Okay.
And then with 10 gallons of gas, you get another 280 miles. So 360 total with one full tank and full electric charge. You can drive it on all electric if you want, or you can drive it with the engine.
While it's running, is it charging your
It charges the battery. Yeah.
Okay, well, you
Yeah,
don't
so-
need really plug in somewhere in, right?
Oh yeah,
Well,
you
it's-
still no. It can maintain the charge. It
Ah,
won't
okay.
charge it. It's unfortunately the government requirements. You can't charge the battery with the gas engine because it makes it more pollution. Right? So
But
for,
while
for
it's
hybrids,
running,
for
but
hybrids
while
you can
you're running,
maintain
right?
the electric charge.
Okay, while
Yeah.
we're running, so you can have more mileage.
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Wow, from here.
How much are the hybrids over there? What do those go for?
135 is the red one, and then the GTS is the higher performance. Will be just under 150.
Okay.
Yeah. And then this electric power plant with the 4 motors is 1100 horsepower.
Wow.
So about double of this car.
And that one over there, you said is a prototype?
Prototype could be built.
And these two are available over there?
Yep, exactly. And this is 0 to 60 in 3.9. That one would be in 1.9.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks.
Yep, of course.
Executive seating. What do you guys think? You like this stuff? Are they gonna make it?